Going to the Chatuchak Weekend Market because it is the weekend.
There's just so much for them to do, and I can't believe it's completely free.
So this is another cool area, Rainbow Town, a bunch of careers. Hey, we're back at Terminal 21 here. Alright, we're heading to the market. We're going to the Chatuchak Weekend Market because it is the weekend. Today's Saturday. And we're gonna meet some new friends there. Alright, so it definitely feels good to be back in Bangkok. The weather is so much better right now than it was when we were here in August. We have to get on the BTS and it's like 9 stops, but we don't have to change any trains, so that's nice. We're here in Bangkok for about a week, and then we're heading to Chiang Mai. And then we're gonna spend almost a month in Chiang Mai, so that's pretty exciting. All right, let's go find this BTS train. Okay, we just got off the BTS, and now it's just like a 5 or 10 minute walk to the market. Oh, it is warm though, and we've got the girls' sunglasses, so we'll probably be buying sunglasses at this market again. Okay, we're inside. I think it's a lot busier than last time.
It's busy.
So there's a bunch of cars in here today. And last time we were here, there were 0 cars. So that's weird. Oh, Lindsay's looking for a frozen Coke. The girls are looking for popsicles. And I'm looking for one of these bear heads.
Trying to find where they are.
Oh.
They're right here.
I'm fine?
Yeah.
Okay, we're leaving the market and we're gonna go to this Discovery Center now.
A little bear. Got teddy bear. Teddy bear ice cream.
No, I think you can probably go ahead and go across.
What is it? Whoa. It is. Holy cow. Okay, so we're in like the city building area. The kids actually get to build their own city. They have all these wooden blocks like roads and lakes and apartments and schools, and then they get to design their city and set a whole layout and things. This place is really neat. So it's very hands-on, very interactive. There's just so much for them to do, and I can't believe it's completely free. So there's actually a splash pad downstairs. I think we're gonna go let them play in that a little bit. And there's playgrounds. There's this like costume area where the kids get to dress up, and it's so cool. Now they're building cities, so it's awesome. I love it. Okay, we're in the Bangkok Children's Museum, and it's actually part of this Discovery Park, and all free stuff. It's really amazing here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Oh, and it's air conditioned in here. A very sterile environment feeling. I feel like I'm in a alien spacecraft, but the AC is definitely cranking in here. Very, very cool. So we're still in part of the Bangkok Children's Museum, and this is like this huge, wide open atrium area, and it's like, I don't know, like Spaceship Earth or something. It's just a bunch of stuff for the girls to run around and do. There's like a 4D theater, and then there's like those tubes that you can talk in, and the girls can hear each other on the other ends. But it's pretty fun here, and this is really neat, and I just cannot get over that everything is free. I mean, seriously, it's just incredible. You do have to have your passport or a copy of your passport, though, so just in case you do come, make sure it's just good, solid advice when you're traveling anyway. Always have a copy of your passport and your kids' passports. But we're gonna go check out some more stuff. This place is really awesome.
This is cool. And it's free, so that's awesome.
do not climb.
On that.
You climbed on it?
No, I'm going to put it. No, I'm going
So this is another cool area. It's like a city or town. It's a rainbow town, and they have like a pet clinic, hair salon, a bunch of careers, pilots, space, police, firefighters. It's really neat. And then there's lots of costumes. I don't think they have the full array of costumes right now because of COVID and all that, but it's cool. I'm actually standing underneath the street lamp right now. That's awesome. So they got this automotive area, and there's a hydraulic lift, and like it's the real deal. And this is a real car too. I mean, okay. Yeah, it's real. Okay, so it's 4 p.m. now, and this Discovery Center is closing down. So we're getting ready to head and get some tacos, because you know we love tacos. So I don't know if I've really done a good job of explaining. We're meeting up with some people that also have a YouTube channel, and I'll put their link down below. And we've just been hanging out with them all day today, and great family, and we're having a blast. So we're gonna have some beers and tacos with them. Got to turn on our wristbands, and we're out of here.
That was a pretty cool place. Free and lots of fun stuff for the kids to do.
Get a good seat. There you go. Hey, we're back at Terminal 21, and I'm kind of glad we are because I think we missed a lot last time we were here. But we're gonna go get tacos. So we got to go up to San Francisco on floor 4, and we're gonna get sunrise tacos. So we are at Terminal 21, and we just get done eating dinner with our new friends, and that was a lot of fun. I think we're gonna try and meet up with them again one more time before we leave Bangkok, and then I think we're gonna overlap a little bit in Chiang Mai. So the girls had an amazing time, and we had a good time too. It was just so good to talk with other travelers and other people kind of doing it like we're doing it, and they've been doing it for 3 years. So it's so awesome to meet people that are so much more experienced than us, and just good. It was a great time. I think we're gonna go head back now and probably call it a night. Okay, we just got off the BTS, and now we are gonna go find a 7-Eleven because we need some Red Bulls for tonight and tomorrow. And we told the girls we'd get them some snacks. you like our Bangkok videos, make sure you check out this one. We got a lot of them. We got a lot more to come too. So, see you later. Bye.